Hello and welcome everyone. I'm ALLYSYA and I will be your moderator for today's panel discussion. Our topic is a critical one, especially in the context of today's fast evolving world. SDG 4 can online education replace traditional education. So let's start by understanding why this matters. So over the past few years, especially due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the education landscape has shifted dramatically, and online platforms and AI tools like ChatGPT have opened new doors to learning and expanded access for many. However, this also brings up an important question. Can online education truly replace traditional classroom, or should it only complement them? Today, we are going to explore the issue from the three key angles: the advantages of online learning and AI, presented by Emma, the challenges of replacing physical classroom, discussed by Alia, and finally, a balanced solution to hybrid learning, introduced by Ika. We will also referencing research and insights from Tokyo.ai and eSchool News to support these perspectives, sources that help us examine both the opportunities and limitations in using technology to achieve SDG for quality education for all. So let's begin our panel with Emma, who will start us off by highlighting how AI and online education are helping bridge the global education gap.
Hello everyone, I'm Emma, and today I will be talking about the advantages of online education, especially when supported by AI, and how it contributes to achieving SDG 4 quality education. Let's begin with why this topic matters. Education is a basic human right, but many students around the world still don't have equal access to it. Online learning powered by AI is helping to close that gap. It's not just a trend, it's a growing solution for more inclusive and flexible education. Now, let's look at some key benefits. Firstly, accessibility. Online platforms improve access for students in rural areas, underserved communities, or even conflict zones to continue learning. And they need is a device and an internet connection. That's already a major step forward for global education. Secondly, online education offers flexibility for learners to study at their own pace, also in their own space, at times that suit them. This makes learning more manageable for working adults, parents, or students with health issues or other challenges. Another important advantage is how it encourages self-motivation and independence. Since students are responsible for managing their own learning schedules, they develop real life skills like time management and self-discipline, skills that benefit them beyond the classroom. And then comes the AI part. AI tools like ChatGPT have made learning more personalized. AI can be explain difficult topics, provide interactive feedback, and answer questions instantly, which is anytime 24/7. For example, students can use AI to take quizzes, get clarifications, or even review lessons when teachers aren't available. This kind of support makes learning more engaging and accessible around the clock. To back this up, according to the talkio.ai article, AI doesn't replace teachers, it supports them. Meaning, AI supports teachers by offering personalized learning and scalability. It helps by handling tasks like grading, content generation, or translating materials. This allows teachers to focus more on teaching and building meaningful relationships between students. Interactive tools like real-time chat, forums, and virtual group work also create a sense of community in. So even if students are physically in the same classroom, they're still able to communicate and collaborate with others. And why does this matter for SDG 4? Because SDG 4 is about ensuring inclusive, equitable, and quality education for all. Online learning with AI directly supports this by breaking down traditional barriers like geography, cost, or lack of teachers and offering flexible, scalable solutions. AI also acts as a learning partner. It helps bridge learning gaps for marginalized groups by adapting to different learning needs. providing multiple language options and making content easier to understand. To sum up, online education powered by AI isn't here to replace traditional classrooms, but to expand access, improve quality, and support learners in new ways. It empowers both students and teachers, and it helps us to take real steps toward achieving global education goals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm ALLYA, and I will be addressing an important aspect of today's discussion, education replace traditional classrooms. While online learning has its advantages, I will be focusing on the challenges of replacing traditional classrooms, especially in relation to SDG 4 quality education. First, let's talk about why traditional classrooms still matter so much. Classrooms are not just places for academic learning. They are crucial for emotional, social, and development growth, especially in younger students. When students interact face to face with peers and teachers, they develop communication skills, empathy, teamwork, and resilience. On the other hand, online learning often leads to screen fatigue and lack of structure, which affects students' ability to focus and stay motivated. Many students struggle to stay engaged when they don't have a physical space dedicated to learning or the routine of a school day. And perhaps most importantly, human teachers provide more than this content. They offer real-time support, emotional guidance, and immediate feedback, which are difficult to replicate with AI or pre-recorded lessons. There is growing research supporting these concerns. A report from eSchool News highlights how face-to-face learning significantly benefits the development of young learners. In-person interaction helps them build foundational social and cognitive skills that online formats simply cannot replace. Example is from talkio.ai, which explains that AI lacks emotional awareness. While it can be useful as a support tool, it should not be seen as a replacement for human educators, especially when emotional intelligence is a big part of the learning process. So can online education really replace traditional classrooms? Not entirely, and here is why. Firstly, it worsens the digital divide. Students from underprivileged communities often don't have access to reliable internet or devices. Replacing traditional classrooms with online platforms could leave these students further behind, increasing inequality. This directly challenges SDG 4, which aims for inclusive and equitable quality education. It is not just about access, it is about the quality of education being delivered. In this light, traditional classrooms remain essential. Online tools can complement them, but not replace them. To sum up, online education has potential, but traditional classrooms play an irreplaceable role in fostering holistic development and equity in learning. To truly meet, to truly meet SDG 4, we must focus not only on expanding access, but on maintaining the human connection and quality that classrooms provide. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ika, and today I'll be sharing my thoughts on how hybrid learning supported by AI can be a balanced and inclusive answer to the question, can online education replace traditional classroom? So rather than choosing one over the other, I believe the best solution is to mix both of them. A hybrid learning model combines the structure of traditional classroom with the flexibility of online tools. In this discussion, I will explain how this approach can improve education for all and help us move closer to achieving SDG 4, which is quality education for all. So, hybrid learning is a combination of traditional classroom experience and online tech access and learning. It blends the personal face-to-face interactions of physical classroom with the flexibility and personalization of digital tools. AI plays a major role in this approach. as it allows learning to be more tailored to each student's pace and ability. For example, if a student doesn't understand a concept taught in class, they can use AI tools like ChatGPT to review or get simplified explanations. This makes learning more accessible and less dependent on a one-size-fits-all method. And not only does AI help students, but it also supports teachers, as it can assist with time-consuming tasks like grading, generating materials, or identifying areas where students are struggling. This gives teachers more time to focus on interactions, mentoring, and emotional support, things that AI cannot replace. So, the research supports the benefits of hybrid learning, as according to Top.io.ai, AI can help provide personalized feedback, identify student weakness, and adapt materials to fit individual learning styles. This makes learning more inclusive, especially for students with different needs or learning speeds. Moreover, hybrid models promote lifelong learning, which is an important part of SDG 4. Adults who are working or live in rural areas can still access quality education through AI support online platforms, while also engaging in occasional in-person training or workshop when needed. So, can online education replace traditional classroom? On its own, it's a no, but hybrid learning offers the best of both worlds. Importantly, it helps bridge gaps in the current education system. While traditional classroom offers structure and social development, AI and online tools add flexibility and personalization. Together, they will create a more complete and adaptive learning environment. However, we must address the digital divide, and not all students have equal access to the internet, devices, or digital literacy. If these gaps aren't closed, hybrid learning may actually increase inequality instead of solving it. And that's why proper infrastructure, training, and support are necessary to ensure no one is left behind. So, in conclusion, hybrid learning with AI is not about replacing traditional education, but it's about enhancing it. By combining the strength of both systems, we will move closer to achieving SDG 4, inclusive, equitable, and quality education for all. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our panelists, Emma, Alia, and Ika for those insightful presentations. So let's briefly recap. Emma showed us how online education with AI increase accessibility, flexibility, and self-guided learning, especially for undeserved communities. Alia, Alia reminded us that traditional classrooms are still essential, especially for emotional, social, and cognitive development, which can be replaced by screens or AI. Eco offer a middle ground solution, a hybrid model that brings together in the best of both worlds, aligning strongly with the inclusive goal of SDG 4. These ideas were backed by strong evidence. Tokyo.ai showed that AI supports but doesn't replace teachers. It scales access while helping personalize content. And ESQ News highlighted how face-to-face learning built foundational life skills, particularly for younger students. So to answer our central question, can online education replace traditional classrooms? The answer is not a simple yes or no. It's about balance, using online tools to enhance, not replace traditional education. It's about inclusion, flexibility, and quality, and ensuring no one is left behind in the learning process. To truly fulfill SDG 4, we need we need tech, innovation, human connection, and equal access working hand in hand. So that's all from us today.